Today I'm taking a look at the Acer 6-in-2 USB-C hub. So this is the hub. We can see it uses two USB-C ports, and that can actually separate, so we can use this by itself or this by itself. But with it together, that is actually going to be the perfect spacing for a MacBook. So if you got a MacBook and need to add a hub, this is going to be a nice way that you can just click into that. The black piece provides an HDMI port. The silver piece on the back provides two USB-A ports, two USB-C ports, and on the right we have another USB-C port. Instructions say the one USB-C port is a power delivery port capable of 100 watts. HDMI is 4K at 60 Hz. So I'm going to plug my power supply into the power delivery port, and I'm going to plug that into my laptop. And if you look closely, you can see that is charging. Then I'm going to plug my HDMI to my monitor, and I'm going to plug that into the other side of my laptop. Okay, so the laptop does see it. And we have got our external monitor. Now if you had a MacBook, you'd be able to put both of these on the one side, but because my laptop only has one port on the left and one port on the right, this is how I'd have to run it for this laptop. But as we can see, I can drag my files and folders from one screen to the other. So I can watch videos over here, I can work over here. Very nice having the capacity to run two different monitors. So let's go ahead and check a drive. It does pick that up right away, and it does play those files. And let's do a speed test. So for the sequential 1x8 process 1 thread, we got 451 on the read and 456 on the write. For the sequential 1x1 process 1 thread, we got 345 and 409. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, 171 and 193. And for the random 4K 1 process 1 thread, 24 and 80. So perfectly acceptable numbers for a USB-A port. So if you need to give yourself some expandability, especially if you need to be able to separate it like this, which is really the only way it would work on this laptop, extra video input as well as a bunch of USB ports, that is an excellent adapter. So I'm happy with that.